Petroleum jelly is a product many people use, but not everyone knows its wide range of applications. In a clean bowl, add 2 small spoonfuls of plain petroleum jelly. Use a regular plastic bottle to separate the yolk from the egg white. Take half a teaspoon of coconut oil and add it to the bowl. We need to let our ingredients dissolve well. Add lemon to petroleum jelly. Once all the ingredients are melted and combined, get the Coca-Cola ready. Add 2 teaspoons to the Vaseline mixture. Pour the mixture into the container and let it cool. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow your skin to absorb it well. Then rinse it off. After this time, your skin will be perfectly moisturized. Wondering what smells so nice and has a great color? That's your new lipstick. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be well hydrated and nourished, and accelerates the regeneration of dry skin. You can also use this treatment on your feet to soften and hydrate rough skin.